So what's up, guys? You're welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time coming across my channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video, comment if you want me to do any other videos concerning rabbit farming, poultry and other livestock. So today's video, I'm not going to be talking about rabbits. I'm going to be talking about chicken. Yes, chicken. And chicken, I'm going to be talking about how to hatch your chicken eggs without using an incubator. So it was actually what I was trying within the past few weeks. With the few chickens we have here, we have some few Noella chickens in our compound and some few old and some few native hens. As you all know, I don't know about other countries. In Nigeria, there's some few there are some native hens that used to walk around. Yes, they used to lay their eggs and they used to hatch their kids. So we have some Noella chickens, and these Noella chickens don't hatch. All you guys know Noella chickens. I will be putting the picture or the video of it on this particular video so that you will see what I'm talking about. These Noella chickens, they just lay their eggs, but they don't hatch it. And these Noella chickens are very, very big. So I thought it twice that why not I pick these eggs of this Noella chicken and do some few experiment with it. So that's what I'm going to be talking about from this video. So actually, the few things you need to do to hatch your chicken eggs without an incubator is just few things. First of all, you need a fertilized egg. Yes, you need a fertilized egg. Fertilized egg, that is, you need an egg that was crossed by a male hen. Yes, you don't just need an egg that was just gotten from a Noella. You know, sometimes Noella can also give lay eggs without being crossed by a hen, but you need an egg that a male was crossed with it to lay that egg. That is the egg that is called a fertilized egg. There's actually one of my friends that even comes to get it from me, and he goes to hatch it with his native chickens. Yeah, so when you just take these Noella eggs, if you take these Noella eggs, the fertilized ones, because I have hens around that are also crossing my Noella, when you take them, the fertilized ones, and put it into the when you see the native chicken wants to hatch, yes, when the native chicken wants to hatch, you just put maybe 2 or 3 into this native chicken's the place she's laying her egg. You notice before in the next 21 days you see the native chicken hatching up. Yes, you see them hatching, but there are a few things you need to do, not just putting it in there and just waiting for 21 days. There are a few things you need to do. Like number one, some people believe if you touch the Noilla's eggs with your hands and you put it in there, it won't hatch. But I don't believe in that, because I used to touch it with my hands. Yes, I touch it with my hands when I carry it and put it in there, it does hatch. Yes, it used to hatch their eggs. So when I put it in there after like 21 days, it hatches. Then I make sure these Noellas, these little chicks that are coming out, those Noellas do not work with that native hen. Yes, I make sure they don't work with the native hen. The reason is this: you know, Noellas are not as strong as the normal native hen used to be. Yes, the normal native hen, when they hatch their own eggs are not, the Noellas are not as strong as the chicks of their own. Yes, they are not as strong. So because of, they will just be carrying these kids around, walking around like that, and they don't just give them any kind of food. They just walk around and pick maybe insects from the ground and some few food particles that are dropped, because the kind of system we use, you know, those Noella chickens that are very economical, we don't even feed them, like we don't put them in the house and feed them. We allow them to roam about. Yes, but they eat outside. But if it's time to lay their eggs, they do lay their eggs. I can show you a couple of many eggs that I've laid. Yes, I can show you many eggs, because I have a lot of them. So I can show you. Let me show you some of their eggs that they have laid, so that just wait for me. As you can see, these are some few eggs that this Noella chicken have laid. So these are a lot of eggs. These are about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Yes, these are about 13 eggs. You guys have seen. So once this, I noticed my native chicken wants to cover its egg. Like I have a one that hatched recently that I'll be sharing a video with you guys. Once I noticed my native chicken wants to hatch her egg, I'll just pick up 2 or 3 from there and put it into the eggs of the native chicken. I'll put it together there for it to hatch. Sometimes make sure you don't put it when the native chicken is there, because she might end up not wanting to hatch. When she goes out to eat, you know, when it's the period they want to hatch their eggs, when they are laying, maybe that period they are laying, they can lay for about 1 week or 2 weeks before they now cover. When they are laying about that 1 week or 2 weeks, you can just put in the Noella egg there. As she's laying her own egg, you just put in the Noella egg. As you are putting in the Noella egg, you are removing one of her own. Yes, because sometimes they know the number of eggs that lay, and once you put it and they come, they notice this is not what they left here. They might just leave it and go to a different spot and start laying. So you just put in maybe 1 or 2 Noella eggs and take out 2 or 1 of her own eggs that you have, the same amount you have put, or 3, depending on how many you want to hatch at that period. But don't want to take all her eggs out and put all the Noella eggs. It might not really work out, because I've not really tried that. So just take out 2 or 3 of hers, then put in 2 or 3 of the Noella eggs. So that will actually work very fine. So that for those of you guys that want to, maybe you say want to do this experiment and want to try, you can actually get maybe 2 Noellas chicken, maybe the mature one that have started laying already, 2 Noellas. Then you get just 1 native hen, then you get 1 native cock. Yes, you get 1. You really need a cock, because once a cock does not cross them, they can't fertilize their eggs. So I hope I have at least told you guys you can actually hatch your eggs without any incubator. Just take your eggs to your native chicken and hatch it. So if you're still watching this video, do want to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll still be dropping more updates on rabbits, hens, and other livestock. I'll be going to people's farms that have more experience than me, talking about other livestock, basically mainly farming. So do well to like this video, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video like this, you get notified by YouTube. Thank you once again, guys, and do have a nice day. Peace.